Hey guys, I'm Emily, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we'll be making a no-bake Oreo cheesecake. So for those of you who don't have an oven, this is the perfect recipe for you. Also, for those of you who don't like cakes that are too sweet, this is also the perfect recipe for you.
As always, with cheesecakes, we start by making the crust. Here I have Oreo crumbs, and I'm just mixing that with some melted butter. I don't have a large springform pan, so I'm going to show you how to do without one. Just use your regular cake tin and line it with parchment paper on the base and plastic film for the sides. Then just add your crust mixture in and press it down to make it compact. I've seen this trend going on with cheesecakes lately with tall crust, so I'm giving it a try with this cake. Pop that into the fridge for at least 30 minutes to set. Now let's move on to the filling. Bring some cream to a light boil and pour it over some white chocolate. Let it sit for about 5 minutes before stirring it. In a large bowl, whip your cream cheese. Then add in your white chocolate ganache mixture, some icing sugar, and you want to whip that until it's homogeneous. Add in the last bit of cold cream and whip that again. Now the last part. Add in your Oreo crumbs and you want to just lightly fold that in. Pour that straight into your chilled crust and you want to leave it in the fridge overnight, or if you're impatient like me, you can just put it in the freezer. If you have leftovers for the filling, you can make little cheesecake tarts like how I'm showing you here. Okay, it's time to unmold your cheesecake. Lightly warm the sides with the palm of your hands and place a cake board or anything flat really on the top and flip it upside down. Give it a gentle tap on the edge of a table and give the base a little tap as well. Once it sounds hollow, it's safe to proceed. Gently unmold it. Here I'm trimming away the excess film before placing another flat underliner on the base and very carefully flipping it upside down again. And that's your Oreo cheesecake, ready to be served. I presented with a little gold bow as I thought it added a nice touch of color to the black and white. And to finish off, I'm just decorating with some whipped cream on top. I'm really happy with the way this cheesecake turned out, not only by how presentable it looks, but the taste and texture as well. The filling almost resembles a mousse, creamy, light, and with the right amount of sweetness. And the crumbs in the filling has softened enough to just melt in your mouth. On top of all of that, you have an added crunch from the base. I think this is such a crowd pleaser that you can put on any table for any gathering.
Big shout out to my friend Emmanuel for requesting today's video. If you want to be featured in the next one, it's easy. Just leave your request in the comments down below or personally message me on Instagram. My IG handle will be in the description box below. That's all for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you do try out this recipe, don't forget to tag me in your snippets. I hope to see you in the next video. This has been Colors and Flavors. Thank you for watching.